This is RubberLink, and I'm going to document the steps in doing a tattoo. Try to give the average tattoo artist out there that's either starting their apprenticeship or just getting started on their own like I did for the first time, a couple steps and a little bit of information to get them headed in the right way. First of all, what you're going to need to do is get you some transfer paper. I'm not sure exactly what the ingredients are. It's a thermal transfer paper. You can go to any tattoo supply store. I use Worldwide Tattoo Supply or SuperiorTattooSupply.com. Anyways, you want to get you some of this thermal transfer paper. If you don't have a thermal transfer machine, you want to take and just pull a piece of paper out. Kind of looks like this. Take the pattern you draw up, whatever pattern you draw, you want to place it on here. Get it right there. I've already done this one. And you want to transfer, go back over your pattern, transfer your pattern to the back of the paper. And after you've gotten that done, then you want to take you some deodorant, or you can use some kind of spray. They got all kinds of transfer pattern stuff you can buy. I use Speed Stick, any kind of deodorant with alcohol in it. You want to make sure you got one of these little popsicle sticks. Try to stop from cross-contaminating from different subjects when you apply. I'm going to take and swipe just a little bit of this deodorant on here. Make sure whoever your client is, they got nice, clean, shaved surface for the tattoo. You want to make sure it's shaved, because if there's any hairs or anything in there as you get the tattoo, and the needle could push the hair in the skin, that could cause it to get infected. And that's not good for the healing process. Here's where you're going to put the tattoos. You just want to rub this in the area where you're going to place your pattern. And you're going to take and cut your pattern out to about the size you want it. You want to have your client stand up and get in as natural position as possible. That way when you place the pattern on there, it's going to look in its natural state, as opposed to if he was sitting down and his skin was stretched or twisted a certain way, it would change the outline of the pattern. And where you want this just facing straight forward.
Yep.
Something like that right there. And you get it on there. Press firm, hold it for a few seconds, give the pattern time to transfer to the skin. Once it's had time to do that, peel it off, check it. As long as it looks like it went on, everything went okay with no problems. And you want to give the deodorant time to dry. That way your pattern don't wipe off, because if the deodorant don't dry, what will happen is you'll end up rubbing your pattern, see how that smears? I use a trick, baby powder. Sometimes you just sprinkle a little baby powder on there, absorb that, or if you got a few minutes, you can just let it air dry.